Hello guys, welcome back to my channel at Janet's Home Bakes. Today I'm going to show you how I made cinnamon rolls with a very easy and quick sugar vanilla glaze. Stay tuned! Here we have our bread flour, cinnamon powder, instant yeast, and light brown sugar. We also have our shortening and pink salt. And we have some water, milk, vanilla extract, and 1 egg. For our cinnamon spread, we have softened butter, cinnamon powder, and some light brown sugar. In a bowl of our stand mixer, we combine the milk, water, vanilla extract, the egg, give it a little whisk just to combine. And we'll add the yeast, and then the sugar, followed by our flour and the cinnamon powder. Starting from low speed, let your mixer run for about 3 minutes or until all the liquid has absorbed. At this point, guys, we are going to add our shortening. You may turn your speed up to medium and let it mix for another 2 minutes before adding our salt. So here we are going to add the salt. And you can keep the speed to medium until dough is soft and elastic.
Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold.
Let's check our dough, guys. At this point, it's not ready yet, so let it run for another 2 to 3 minutes. Let's turn the speed to medium-high. Let's check our dough again, guys. This looks ready. It should be translucent. Round it up and let it rise for an hour or until the dough size has doubled. Here I'm greasing a 9 by 13 inches tray. For our cinnamon spread, cream the butter and the sugar together to a smooth paste until soft and creamy. And then add the cinnamon powder and use whisk to combine. Set aside while you prepare the dough. Lightly flour a clean surface. Knock the dough and roll it. I like to start by stretching with my hands, especially if it's so elastic and soft.
Time is standing still as I let go of your cold hand. Eyes are wet but lips are dry, and all the things we'd planned were never what you wanted. We've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh, oh. But if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile.